कार्डियोपल्मोनरी एमसीक्यूज पार्ट 4 की आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे और तमाम एमसीक्यूज क्वेश्चन के आंसर डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डिटेल और लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के साथ मौजूद हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट विद वीडियो। MCQ 76 पेशेंट विद हाई फंक्शनल कैपेसिटी बट लो रिजर्व नीड। ऑप्शन ए शॉर्ट ट्रेनिंग कोर्स, ऑप्शन बी लॉन्गर ट्रेनिंग कोर्स, option C progressive training course, and option D none of above. And the correct answer is option C progressive training course. MCQ 77 which of the following will not help to produce cough? Option A application of ice below axilla, option B extrathoracic tracheal pressure, option C manual ventilation, option D change of position. And the correct answer is option A application of ice below axilla. MCQ 78 equal pressure point in low lung volume remains at option A trachea, option B lobar bronchi, option C alveoli, and option D segmental bronchi. And the correct answer is option C alveoli. MCQ 79 at what phase of cough the intrathoracic pressure rises to the maximum during? Option A inspiratory phase, option B glottic closure, option C contraction of expiratory muscles, and option D expiratory phase. And the correct answer is option D expiratory phase. MCQ 80 the frequency of manual vibration is option A 5 to 12 Hz, option B 12 to 20 Hz, option C 20 to 25 Hz, option D none of above. And the correct answer is option A 5 to 12 Hz. MCQ number 81 vibration should be less vigorous for patient with option A lung abscess, option B chronic bronchitis, option C fracture of thoracic spine, यहाँ पे ये मिसिंग है, यहाँ पे फ्रैक्चर ऑफ thoracic spine, option D asthma. And the correct answer is option C fracture of thoracic spine. MCQ 82 which is not true for percussion? Option A it is done with finger and thumb adducted, option B the sound of percussion should be hollow sound, option C the rate of percussion between 100 to 475 times per minute, option D the dominant hand pressure is more than non-dominant hand. And the correct answer is option D the dominant hand pressure is more than non-dominant hand. That is not true for percussion. MCQ 83 for low pressure PEP therapy the resistance is adjusted till the PEP level is option A 5 to 10 centimeter of water, option B 10 to 20 centimeter of water, option C forced vital capacity pressure, and option D none of above. And the correct answer is option A 5 to 10 centimeter of water. MCQ number 84. An indicator of effective cuff is when FEV1 is at least option A 40% of VC, option B 60% of VC, option C 80% of VC, and option D 50% of VC. And the correct answer is option A 40% of VC. MCQ 85. For every cigarette an individual smoke, the cilia are paralyzed for option A 5 minutes, option B 10 minutes, option C 20 minutes, option D 30 minutes. And the correct answer is option C 20 minutes. MCQ number 86. Which one among the following is not an self-assisted technique for cuff? Option A, prone on elbow, head flexion. Option B, hands knee rocking. Option C, counter rotation. Option D, short sitting. And the correct answer is option C. Counter rotation will not helpful for self-assisted technique for cuff. MCQ number 87. The muscular work of breathing is what percentage of total body oxygen consumption? Option A 5%, option B 10%, option C 15%, option D 20%. And the answer is option A 5%. MCQ number 88. Patient with secondary pulmonary dysfunction need to option A relax their accessory muscle and use diaphragm more. Option B balance the use of diaphragm and accessory muscles. Option C reduce the work of breathing. Option D none of above. And the correct answer is option B balance the use of diaphragm and accessory muscle. MCQ 89. Repattering technique is used for option A COPD cases, option B patient with shortness of breath, option C patient with high respiratory rate. And the correct answer is option A COPD cases. MCQs 90. Patient with accumulation of secretion 4 gram of carbohydrate produce what kilocalories? Option A 6.2 kilocalories, option B 4.2 kilocalories, option C 3.2 kilocalories, option D 9.2 kilocalories. And the correct answer is option B 4.2 kilocalories. ये MCQs आपको क्लिनिकल रीजनिंग में भी हेल्प आउट करेंगे. आपको एक टॉपिक से क्या चीज़ हमने इम्पॉर्टेंट कार्डियोपल्मोनरी में पढ़ना है, कार्डियोपल्मोनरी मैनेजमेंट, रिहैबिलिटेशन इन फिजियोथेरेपी. इसके अलावा ये MCQs मल्टीपल टाइम्स कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में आते हैं, इसी तरह डायरेक्टली भी और कुछ सिनेरियो बेस्ड भी. थैंक यू.